Good morning everyone. Happy Friday. It's been a while since I did get ready for the Friday sari vlog. So today I did, and if you are watching this, that means you are watching the replay. I'm going to wait for 1 or 2 minutes until few of you hop on. Meanwhile, I'll just get ready for my lip look, and also I will explain what I did for my eyes. How are you all doing? I hope the Friday, it's already dropped so much. Uh, for us it was supposed to rain today, but I'm not sure it is going to rain in the night. So it's really gloomy today actually. So I'm using the witch hazel to clean my lips. Because for lip sense you need your lips to be clean. Can you see I had some foundation on my lips, so always make sure to clean your lips really well. You don't have to do it with the witch hazel. You can just use a warm water towel. I don't have water closer to my here downstairs, so that's why I use my witch hazel pads. You can get even the witch hazel pads from Amazon. Because lip sense will stay longer when you have clean dry lips. That way, if you don't have any food particles or any other makeup products in your lip, that will actually help for the lip sense to stay longer. And let me show what I did for my eye look. This one is closer to what I did for the other one. Thank you so much. I know everybody pinged me that for the rose gold glitter and copper rose shimmer, and that's why I did that look, because I know it is really so easy, but at the same time it looks so elegant. So for my today's eye look, what I did is a little different from each other. I mean, normal day. Usually I use hi Jayashree. Good morning. So I was just thinking of you the other day. Like, I mean, it's been so long since I spoke to you. So it's I did rustic brown for my eyebrows. Usually I do I do natural tan to color correct, but since it's more of a pink eye look, I used mulberry, which is thank you Jayashree, thank you so much. It's been more than a year since I wore this one. Like, I mean, sometimes by the time I come back and wear it again, it takes so long for any saree to wear. Sometimes it takes even years actually. So this one is quick, I would say. So it's been just a year since I wore this one. So I used mulberry, which is like a very pale pink matte shade. That's the one I used to color correct. So that way it already has like a pink base. And then I used Bella Cream as my all over lid shade, and also as my crease color, because Bella Cream is a matte, but it's such a pretty shade. So I thought that will really go well with this one. So that's the one I used all over my lid. And then I have used burgundy. You can use garnet, you can use even the rustic brown, any darker shade should work. So I have used burgundy in my outer corner, and also on my lower lid, just to smoke out. So that's the one. If you are like more into rust Americano kind of shades, then please do pick burgundy, because it's a sold out shade. I think I just have one last one left in my stock. And the next one I did is I used dusk shimmer all over the lid, and then I topped it with shell glitter. Shell glitter was on sale for how much, $8 or $9 for the Kiss and Tell customers. So many of you grabbed on, so that's why I used that shade all over. Like how we used rose gold glitter, the same way I used the shell glitter on my all over lid shade. Like how I showed you, I just swatched it a little bit in my hand and I use my fingers to just rub it in. That way I can just get the glitters and I topped it over. Even you don't have to do these many layers. You can just use one shade like Bella and just top it with the shell glitter. The shell glitter will work amazingly well. And for today's blush shade, I have used Bella Shimmer. So if you compare Bella with Bella Cream, so this is a matte shade, whereas this one is the shimmer shade. So I have used Bella Shimmer as my blush for today. So when it comes to shadow sense, that's the versatility. You can use, always being a cream to powder, you can very well use it as multiple ways. And you can even use Bella Cream or Bella Shimmer as your lip color too. So that way, I hope they don't fall down, like, I mean, my shadow sense tubes are rolling. So here you can use it on your eyes as well as you can use it as a lip color. So these will look amazingly well as a lip color too. And for my eyelid, both on top on my waterline and also on my lower lid, I have used the black brown pencil. So that's the shade I have used, and I'm going to go ahead and do my lip look for today. Since I have used more of Bella, I again wanted to do Bella as the lip color, and I wanted to top it with the new Bella Glossy. Usually we do glossy gloss. I am a glossy person, even though I do love matte shades, but I am into my glossy lips, so I always topped my shades with the regular glossy gloss. But today I'm going to do the Bella Glossy, because with Bella Glossy you have both ways. You can top it on top of the lip color, and since it has the pigmented lip color, you can use it on its own too. So that's the one I'm going to do for today, because I wanted more of a neutral tone to pink shade. So Bella is like a neutral brown. If you are looking for a first lip color, then Bella will work really well for you, because it's a shade that can work on any skin tone, and it's really perfect for even office goers or everyday lip look. So I'm going to do my first layer and then let's talk about it. So this is one layer of Bella on me. You can see it's a very light shade. You can you can use it for throughout the year, and it can go very well with many of the outfits. It's like having a brown jacket or brown leather handbag, which can suit almost any of your outfits. The same way, Bella is such a like a pretty brown. It's not too dark, at the same time it has like a very light mauve tint to it, so that way it still be very nice everyday shade. And yesterday I was talking to a few of them. Most of you have started getting the kiss and tell orders. I'm sure they all will arrive this week. Mine is said to be shipped, like mine is not a kiss and tell. My recent order is said to be shipped, because it has the fresh baked shadow sense collection, the fresh baked shimmers, and also the holiday mini. So if you are looking for the holiday mini, do ping me. I'm sure it will sell out like last time. The minis will get sold out faster, because it's perfect for as a stocking stuffer and also as for kids and teens. So let me go ahead and use my second layer. And I always say, like, if you have your lips two toned, like one is darker and lighter, Bella will be a nice canvas to you. So anytime when you start a color, you can just use it as your base layer. It becomes like your color correction. So that's my second layer. You can see it's what is it, like, it's a matte shade and also it's a neutral tone. So I think I have talked about it many times. We do all the colors are usually classified into warm tone and cool tone. So warm tone, cool tone and neutral. So if the gold jewelry looks good on you, like see how it does on me, so that means you are a warm tone. The same way, if silver jewelry looks good on your skin tone, you are a cool tone. And neutral tone means anybody can wear. So the colors are always differentiated as blue based and yellow based and all. So here Bella is a neutral shade. That means it will suit every single skin tone here. So this is my last and final layer. So always make sure to scrape all the extras. So you will do thin layers of lip sense and you will leave like 30 seconds in between. I know the temperatures are cooling down in every place. For us, it's already in max 60s, not more than that. If you are hopping on, say hi. So this is my last layer. So if you are, lip sense is meant to be last from 4 to 18 hours, anywhere between, because it depends on your pH level. It depends on what food you eat, and some people have the habit of rubbing their lips or even biting. So all these will matter into it. And the more you wear, and if you don't have any wax buildup, or if your lips are not chappy or dry or anything, it's going to stay longer and longer. So the more you wear lip sense, you will see the time is getting extended. For me and all, until I take it out at night, it will stay all day. So it is like a process that you will slowly get into it, but once you learn the concept, it makes it so easy, because you don't have to retouch it, or you are not going to reapply. So, and the way lip sense work is, lip sense always bonds with the gloss. It cannot do any other gloss, so you need to pick a gloss from ours. That's how the concept works. So today I'm going to do the Bella Glossy. It's a really pretty shade, and it can you can do Bella Glossy on its own. Any gloss can be worn on its own. Always make sure you apply the corners, because if you feel like your lip sense still feels sticky, that means you haven't glossed well. So you can even gloss in the middle of the day. So that is Bella with Bella Glossy. Bella is one of the top seller this time. I was literally wiped out. Hi Vivi, good morning. Yes, I know Bella is your favorite. Bella is such a, what is it, like, versatile first shade too. If I know sometimes the customers get confused on when they see like hundreds of shades and which one to choose from. I always say, like, choose the color that you always used to wear. That way it makes it easy for the transition, and colors like this will make it more easy to wear and everyday, and you don't have to think about whether the color will suit me or not, because Bella is like a universal must have shade for everybody. So that way it will suit any skin tone, and it will go with any outfit. So whether it's dark or light, it's going to go. Good morning, Vimi. I know you all are like just setting it up. For me, I was expecting the rain, so I got ready little earlier today because I thought it's going to rain and I don't want to have a gloomy day, but hopefully it doesn't rain. Let it stay this way. Yesterday was really beautiful. Like, I mean, it was perfect for because now we take cloudy and walk outside, and it was nice because now it's like having a toddler again, so you need to put on your jacket and then put his sweaters on and then take him out, all those stuff. And now we even got his own raincoat and everything, so it's like you need to get ready and then make him get ready and then go for party, so go for walk or anything. So it's interesting and we are learning. So here is Bella and Bella Glossy, and here is my eye look. I made it like a very what is it, like a pink smoky eye look. That's how I call it. It's not too dark. Smoky look doesn't have to be only with black. You can even do a brown or even pink one. You just add a little bit of what is it, like a darker shade in the same tone itself, and make it look that way. That's all. So have a wonderful day. If you get the packages, do share your reviews, and the giveaway is still open, so please make sure you share it with your friends and share it on your timeline, and do add your friends who if you think your friends may be benefited with this makeup or skincare. I would love to talk to them, so please do add and participate in the giveaway. And as I mentioned, it's going to be open for some time. I'm thinking I will enter the people who has entered. That way it makes it easy for me to go at the end of day to just add them for the entry, and you will also be able to check it out. So have a wonderful day, guys. See you all soon.